future. About to blast off, yeah, you could call me super. Man, I'm an icon, he lost to the clips in the game like my middle name is Luna. Hop in my cruiser, yeah, we taking off. Know you heard the rumors, yes, I got the sauce. A true needle mover, I never took a loss in this game. I'm the ruler, yes, I am the boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change.
Hindi, ang init.
Thankful ako kay Lord kasi yung pinagpe-pray ko, ang binigay niya sa akin is mas better dun sa pinagpe-pray ko na akala ko hanggang dun lang ako yung hihilingin ko sa Kanya. But truly, the Lord is good when it comes to provision and blessing kasi ang ibibigay talaga sa'yo ni Lord is hindi lang yung kailangan mo, pero ibibigay ni Lord yung kung saan ka mag-grow, ibibigay ni Lord yung pinaka-the best. So, I'm thankful that the Lord gave me na kung sining makakasama ko habang buhay.
I promise
before
before God
God that with this Bible
I desire
to follow God's ways
to follow God's ways
and encourage you
and encourage you
as my spouse
to
to do the same.
do the same.
I promise
I promise
that I will love the Lord
that I will love the Lord
more than I love you
More than I love you,
as an evidence
as an evidence
of my love for you.
of my love for you.
my love for you.
Today,
Today,
I recognize
I recognize
that without Him,
that without Him,
there are no us.
there are no us.
May God
may
May
God
God
bless
our family.
our family.
Han, gusto ko lang sabihin na sa'yo na yung mga best qualities na nakita ko sa'yo is napaka-warm mo na person, napaka-maalaga, and napaka-center mo si God. Ang kaya ko lang i-promise sa'yo is I will strive to be a better person, be a better man na deserve mo. Kaya sa'yo ako palagi. Sabi ko sa testimony ko dati is, pumunta ako dito para maghanap ng trabaho, pero nahanap ko si Lord. Nahanap ko si Lord, hindi lang si Lord, pati misis.